The United States has just dropped a legislative bombshell that could shake up India's $250 billion IT industry. The bill introduced in the Senate is called the Halting International Relocation of Employment Act, or the HIRE Act, and its target is clear: outsourcing. The bill was introduced by Republican Senator Bernie Moreno of Ohio. His proposal slaps a 25% outsourcing tax on any payment US firms make to foreign companies for services used back home. On top of that, those expenses would no longer qualify for tax deductions. The money raised would go into a new domestic workforce fund to retain Americans and strengthen the local labor pool. For India, this is big. Outsourcing has been the backbone of the IT sector for decades. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and HCL Tech depend heavily on North American clients, some drawing more than 60% of their revenues from the US. If passed, the HIRE Act could sharply raise costs for American companies that rely on Indian talent, from banking and software to healthcare and retail. Senator Moreno defends the bill as a fight for American workers, saying companies must pay a price if they ship jobs overseas. With Washington tightening the screws on offshoring, India's tech giants could face tough choices. While US businesses that depend on them brace for higher costs, the big question now is, will the bill pass? And if it does, how dramatically will it reshape global outsourcing? With Rudrashish Kanjilal, Bureau Report, India Today Global.